Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello friends, welcome back to my organization. Today I'm showing you my new guppy fish breeding tank. Okay, this is new one. As you can see, it's a 150 liter capacity, water capacity. This is a big cog here, tape, you can call it also tape, to reduce the water level. And this is a pipe for water flow, water flow. And if you see this, here it's a simple net here. When the water will flow, the fish cannot go out with this. It's a big size ring, center ring. Okay, this is the smallest tank I have. This is the big one. It's double ring. This is all guppy here. And if I show you here, a huge guppy, huge 300 to 400 piece guppy here. Friends, if you have any question of this, please go to comment section and ask the question. I will try to solve your problem. Thanks for watching.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?